Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free access to any OnlyFans account easily without spending any money or anything. So what matters to us in here is this little username in here, the Skylar Vox. As you can see here, this is the username of this account, and we're going to be using it to get access to this account easily. So first of all, let's go ahead and get the username in here, or let's just copy the profile URL from here. Anyway, I will be using this username in here, the Skylar Vox. I will remember it, and let's go ahead and see how we can get free access. First of all, we're going to be using this tool called fansgo.top. As you can see here, it's fansgo.top. This tool right here will give you the access to any OnlyFans account easily by giving them their the profile URL or the username. So for our case, the username is the Skylar Vox. So let's search for the profile. If they couldn't find it, let's go ahead and search again. Skylar Vox. Sometimes they find the profile image and everything, sometimes they don't, but either ways it's working. As you can see here, they found it. Here is it, Skylar Vox. And to get access, all we have to do is click on this button right here, get free access. They will ask us the email that we are signed up in OnlyFans, so let's go ahead and give them the email. So let's go. Right now, all we have to do is wait for the process until it ends, and we'll see the results in a few seconds. The process may take a few moments, but eventually it will take like 2-3 minutes tops. So let's see. Amazing, they find it. So let's click on here. Click here to get access. So they find it, and let's click on follow for free. They will ask us to verify the request to get free access. All we have to do is finish some offers, and we will have full access to the account that we give them. So let's go ahead and verify the request first. So when we finish the offers, all we have to do right now is get back on this account, and let's refresh the page. And voila, as you can see, I can get all the content for free